Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. I usually start my day a cup of coffee. I will check duplex furniture kay naguba akong dishwasher rack. Naguba siya, guys. Diri. As in, ang top rack ang naguba. So I hope I can buy and order the top rack. Kani siya naputol. It's cheap. It's made of plastic. Kanang mabuak ra siya. Again, it's made of plastic. So I hope I can order this top rack. Bason. Because I don't want to buy the whole dishwasher. It's really expensive. And guys, makaingon ra mo na, oh, you don't need it. In Philippines, we wash it by hands. But here sa abroad, you really need to have this appliances kay wala kay helper, wala kay maid, wala kay tawong mo tabang nimo. You do everything. So guys, I hope makapalit ko ana today kanang sa among dishwasher because it's been 2 days wala mega dishwasher. We use it by hands, but that's fine. It's not a big deal. And sorry, naka-house coat pa ko. Sorry, it's my husband's house coat. But so guys, let's get ready. I'm gonna get ready for work. Okay, so let's get ready. So guys, we are ready. I'm gonna see if I can buy this top rack for my dishwasher. Naguba siya, guys, 2 days ago. So among top rack naguba. So I will see if they're gonna sell me just this rack. Kay lisod kayo walay dishwasher. Okay, let's go to work. But before that, I'm gonna see if I can get this dishwasher rack. Okay, let's comb our hair, put some spray, and we're ready to go. So guys, let's go. Let's start the day. The sun is shining while waiting for my truck warming up. I would like to say happy Monday, everyone. Let's start this day with a good smile, good vibes, always happy, and try to be happy every time. There's lots of there's lots of things to be thankful for. Thank you for the food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe. Thank you, Lord. We wake up this morning, another day to live. Share the blessings, share the love to everybody, to everyone around you that makes you happy. And yeah, we are blessed. We are all blessed, and thank you. I wish everybody will have a good Monday. So guys, daghan kayo may mga order, as in daghan. So we are going to make it and deliver it on Thursday. Thanks guys for ordering pizza. Well, thank you for ordering frozen pizza from Whirlpool. Again, we will be making this one like super. So guys, I'm done work for the morning. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Anyway, so I'm gonna go to Duplex Furniture. I'm gonna see if makakuha ako ng top rack for the dishwasher. Here in abroad, guys, or Canada, you will say, oh, in the Philippines, we wash it by hands, but really, you need it here. Right, babe? Right, Tata? You need it here kasi wala kang helper, wala kang
Princess.
wala kang maid, you know, like, sos, yung kubal mo, day, yung mga kubal mo. Anyway, kaya pala dito sa abroad, may mga vacuum, may mga dishwasher, you know, like washing machine, because you don't have any help here. Like, your husband works hard, can't help you. Right, Ta? Yeah. But Tata helps. Okay, let's go, Ta.
Let's go.
Bye, babe.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Okay, guys. Let's go. So, punta muna kami. Oh, paulit-ulit. Kay may question and answer. Hala, saan yung yabi ko, Ta? Hi. Tata's gonna be practicing driving today. I will try my best to teach her. And, yeah. Baling inita karon, it is 18. So I don't think I need the jacket. Kunin ko muna.
Sabihin ko na
Iyan mo muna, Ta. Magsalita ka muna sa mga vloggers ko dyan. Sabihin mo, day off mo. I thank you. Day off ni Tata, pero ginising ko siya kasi
Hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko.
gusto ko ng good vibes. Good vibes muna tayo ngayon, guys. Okay, so we are here in Duplex Furniture. It is very nice appliances store, furniture store here in Nipawin. So, like I said, my dishwasher top rack was broken. So, hoping guys makapalit ko sa kanang top rack kay mahal kaayo og paliton ang the whole dishwasher. Nice kay dili daghan kaing sale. There's Tata. Hi. Ito naman na i-fast forward. Good news, guys. Pwede rami mo order sa parts. So, ilaming gipaan diri sa CJ's Furniture. So, anyway, I decided to get a new phone. At saka si Tata din, kukuha siya ng iPhone 12. Kuha tayo dito ng new phone. And I am planning to get the iPhone 12 Pro. Kala, pasok tayo. Si Tata, kukuha siya ng iPhone 12 Pro Max. Dito ka pala noon. Hi there.
How are you?
Dito kami ngayon kay Kuya Ronel and Ate Rachel's house. Makikain ng lechon. Kay wala mi kaadto gahapon. Sorry guys, we didn't make it sa party. So, karon min mo anhi, makikain ng lechon. Thank you Ate Rachel and Kuya Ronel. Lechon is life. Di ako makakain.
Magkakanin ako. Ayun yung
Ikaw, pero ako hindi. Ate, kain ka
Ay,
rin.
ito ako ng ate. Ay, ba do you
Saan si Ate Ren? Si Kuya Ronel.
I found it some money the drive.
Okay, that's good. Where's the money?
Where's Golden?
I put it
Where?
Can I have the money?
Where did you put the
Can I have
money?
the money?
the toy in the room.
Ate, hindi na siya marunong mag-Tagalog.
Marunong, nagkatagal.
Sino, ikaw nagluto lahat?
Hindi, Rox, wala ako niluto.
What do you mean? Sino nagluto?
Si Rodel. Ito, pinagluto ko kay Maring Jen. Ito, saka ito, kay Maring Jen.
Guys, tingnan mo yung pansit.
Bali,
Grabe, guys.
hindi ko lang ang niluto ko, Rox.
Bicol Express?
Biko, ito.
Biko? Huwag kang mahiya. Guys, lechon. Pakita ko muna sa kanila.
Pinapainit ko pa yung...
Lechon. Lechon. Thank you, Ate Rachel.
May hipo na yun, no?
Grabe ang lechon. Picturean ko.
Sorry, it's DJ.
So guys, nandito si Mark. Again. So welcome. Nakikain na siya, hindi pa nga kami kumain siya. Nag-start na siya. So anyway, Margo's here and we will have some lunch. Thank you, Ate Rachel, for having us over. So anyway, kain muna kami ng lechon kasi lechon is live. Okay? Hindi kami nakapunta kahapon kasi busy. Okay? B and Z. Riker ba?
Oo, Riker.
Riker! Happy birthday, Riker!
Ikaw din?
Sarap ang cake. And it's Ate Marian made it, so I will eat it. Basta si Ate Marian, sure yan. Okay?
Okay.
So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Tim Hortons. Oh, it's a plane. Wala pa kitag plane. So guys, we are here in Tim Hortons. Margo and Tata's here with me. We're gonna have some coffee. Charot. Tan, tan. Coffee. And Margo's skin. Thank you. So here we are. What drink is this going?
Pumpkin spice latte.
Pumpkin spice latte. Ana, naon pastorya? Ang saon?
Pumpkin spice latte.
So we are here at Tim Hortons, and our drink is pumpkin
spice latte.
pumpkin spice latte.
We
Anak ko na pa siya.
ordered-
Hala, baling inita akong gilingkuran, ti.
We could have ordered the pumpkin spice. How do you call that? The other one. Pumpkin
Ti,
spice.
baling inita,
French
super.
vanilla. No, the other one.
Guys, it's so hot here, super. Baling inita, it's so hot.
We are just enjoying the
The
last
weather.
week of
Is it
summer.
last?
I think so because it's been for like
Si Tata wala
4 or 5
nagsalita.
days that
Okay, baling inita, man. Super.
cheers. May nalanita pa ito.
Anyway, huwag nyo lang kalat ha. Manulod mi kay baling inita. Balijong
Joke
inita.
na rin ito, guys.
Joke ra to siya, pang pa-vlog ra to amo ang gawas-gawas, ha. Wala dili ko ka-open.
Ako ma-off.
Charot.
Kaupo
Tadan, tadan. Dili ka mo ko. Joke ra to amo guys. Balijong inita, super. sakit sa ulo. So dito lang kami. Bugnaw na po siya tayo. Bugnaw.
You can get some.
Ang daming bumiling frozen pizza. So, gawa na naman kami. Thank you. Have a good one. So, nipalit mo yung beer na ay free. What is that?
What is?
Free bandana or towel. No, it's not a towel, but if you buy, how many bottles that?
12.
If you buy 12 beer in Corona at the liquor store, you get free ganyan. Free ganyan. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna close this vlog and I hope you enjoy watching. Vanessa's over there. Hi, Baning. They're gonna go somewhere. So thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe.